Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. It is your English language period. Today, we will do another exercise of chapter 19, use of articles. Students, what are articles? Yes, articles are a, an, and the. These are the three articles. We use a before countable noun which start with consonants. For example, a bat, a ball, a book, etc. An example, an orange, an umbrella, an egg, which are begin with vowels, and the article is used for any monument or universal. For example, the earth, the moon, the Taj Mahal, etc. Today you will do all the exercises of chapter 19, use of articles, in your grammar book. So open your book and start writing. Chapter 19, use of articles. English has two articles, the, which is a definite article, and a, and, which are indefinite articles. Students, there are three articles, a, an, and the. The is definite article, and a and an are the indefinite articles. The definite article the is used before specific person, place, or thing. The indefinite articles a and an are used before non-specific person, place, or thing. For example, do you have a ball? It is a consonant. B is consonant. So we use a, article a, before ball. He is an American. It is a vowel, and we use an before vowel. She is the principal of this school. Principal is a specific person, so we use the article before a specific person. Now start your exercise. Page number 61. Write down the classwork. Date. Today is 6th of February 2021. First exercise, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the correctly. You will fill with a, an, or the articles in this blanks. We saw alligator in the river. Students, you can see here alligator start with a, and a is vowel. So we use which article? Yes, an. We saw an alligator in the river. I need dash racket and a ball. It is a consonant. So we will fill a article before racket. I saw, same here, vowel, so we use an. I saw an intelligent dog in the circus. Next, can you give me a rose? Next, I ate an orange and a sandwich which you had left. I ate an orange, and a sandwich which you had left. Sixth one is she bought a balloon. Abhishek drew an elephant on my birthday card. Abhishek drew an elephant on my birthday card. 8 sentences. Dash duck we saw yesterday walking around the park is. Here we use article the. Why we will use the article? Yes, it is a specific duck which we saw yesterday walking, but today he is found dead. The duck we saw yesterday walking around the park is dead today. Now come to the second exercise. Take the correct article in the following sentences. In these sentences, all the 3 articles are here, but we select only one article. I have a and the strong desire to play tennis. I have a strong desire to play tennis. Second, go and ask for a and the umbrella. It is very easy. An umbrella. Okay. Third, I have been studying for a and the are now. Here we will use an article because start with consonant but its pronunciation is are, not hover. I have been studying for an hour now. She was a and the best student in our class. She was the best student in our class. He is an Indian English writer. 6. Did you have a and the required money to buy that dress? Did you have the required money to buy that dress? 7th is this is a and the excuse and not the reality. This is an excuse and do not the reality. Last one is that was one of a and the best wins for our team. That was one of the best wins for our team. Is it clear, students? So you will start your work. Before your work, mention the classwork and date, and your homework is you learn all the 2 exercise of page 61. Start your work. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.